Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Noorul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. And this time your answer somewhat do have to match mine, because you have to write the types of the adjectives which you have already done in your previous classes. Why we are doing this? Because this is the demand of the SLO, which clearly says that we have to use and classify degrees of regular and irregular adjectives. Now this is your focus look like, but we are going to study it deeply. So what are adjectives? Let's revise it. Adjectives tell more about a noun. So we have a car over here. So this word big gives me the idea the car is big. It is helping the noun. It is telling more about a noun. So big is an adjective. Now let's see that if we have more variety of cars out there, we need to have different types of adjectives. For example, big, bigger, and biggest. Now what are these? These are the degrees of adjectives. Yes, if it is simple adjective, we call it positive. And when it compares two things together, we call it comparative. And when it tells that this is the largest degree, we call it superlative. For example, you can clearly see on the board that positive of small, then it becomes smaller when you change it into comparative, and its superlative degree is smallest. Same goes with cheap, cheaper, and cheapest. Now, what is a comparative degree? Comparative degree is a comparison between two nouns. When we compare two comparative degree, we call it comparative adjective. We use the word than. All right. So let's see an example over here. Jamil is taller than. Than should always be there in the comparative adjective degree, because it shows the comparison between two nouns. Got it? Now, if someone is tallest, the highest degree, how we are going to do that? We are going to use the before the superlative degree, and always use EST with the superlative degree, because EST shows that it is superlative. Got it? Now let's look at the formative check. This is what we have designed to check your understanding of the focus. You have to do it with the help of your teacher. Go home and do your homework. I hope you have learned something useful today. See you again in the next LIFFT. Till then, bye-bye, Allah Hafiz.